to see you. We can't wait to help you prepare for your solo performance at Ryan Family Day.
We will share 5 fantastic examples today. Dancing, singing, storytelling, poetry and public speaking from students in classes 7, 8 and 9.
Remember, these are just ideas. You can choose anything you like. Magic tricks, yoga, comedy, puppet show, beatboxing and more. Be creative and surprise us. We know you might be a bit nervous about performing solo. In this video, we'll give you tips to help you shine on stage.
Let's start with our first performance. Prisha from class 8 will be performing a dance. Let's hear her introduction.
Hello everyone, welcome to Ryan Family Day. My name is Prisha Kharat. Today, I am thankful that I have got an opportunity to perform in front of you all. This performance is a tribute to all the hardworking soldiers who are sacrificing and serving for us. I hope you all will enjoy my performance. Thank you and please vote for me.
Great job, Prisha. Her introduction was fantastic and her smile was so important. Smiling shows confidence. Tip number 1. Remember to smile when giving your introduction.
Friends, here is the order for your introduction speech. First, welcome everyone to Ryan Family Day. Second, say your name and class. Third, tell us what you will perform. Fourth, explain why you chose it. Fifth, thank everyone who helped you. And most importantly, keep your introduction under 30 seconds.
Now, let's enjoy Prisha's dance. Your time starts now.
संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं तो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना।
ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
ऐसा कोई नहीं मैं गाया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत। प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही, माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम।
practiced a lot. Dancing is so much fun and requires practice. So if you love it, show us your moves.
Next, we have Akhil from class 8 who will speak on a topic. Let's hear his introduction.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Ryan Family Day. I'm Akhil Kocheri from grade 8. Today, I will be showcasing my public speaking skills. The inspiration behind this speech is the Bollywood legend Amitabh Bachchan, who is both an excellent orator and actor. I'd like to thank my parents and mentors for helping me prepare this speech. Thank you, and I hope you vote for me.
Akhil, your use of body language was excellent. Tip number 2. Use your hands and body to make your performance lively and engaging. Now let's hear Akhil's full speech. Your time starts now.
Alright, everything okay? Check 1 2 1 2 1 2.
Sorry folks, we don't have the legend in the house. But I would like to talk about how brands are ruling our lives. Let's talk about my everyday needs. Clothes, shoes, a school bag, a wristwatch, a football and, oh yes, food. Mom gets these things for me, but I was never happy with her choices. Why? Because the only t-shirt I wanted was Nike. The only shoes I wanted to wear were Reebok. Casio G-Shock wristwatch is super cool compared to a cheaper Fast Track. And where would you rather go for a holiday? Delhi or Disneyland? My needs were being met, but not my wants because of the brands Mom bought me. I questioned myself, why and how had I become so brand conscious? How was I being influenced? And why was I feeling so pressured? Advertisers use ads in newspapers and on television to constantly bombard us with the idea of feeling some sense of pride if we use those fancy brands like Adidas and Gucci. Teenagers like me get influenced by celebrity endorsements and by influencers on social media. I was living in a world where brands were everything. It's like I was in a high-stakes game of who wore it better with my peers. And if I didn't have the right brand, it felt like I was playing with the wrong deck of cards. Peer pressure is real pressure. And the result? It ends up making me feel inferior. I don't fit in with the coolest gang. My self-confidence suffers. Most people don't see me. They look for the Nike logo on my t-shirt and the Apple on my computer. At home, I became the pester power person. It's a term that describes children who constantly pester their parents to get them things. In my case, it was my thirst for branded goods. Eventually, Mom sat me down and explained why we shouldn't let brands rule our lives. She said, Akhil, it's not that we can't afford these brands, it's just that we choose not to spend a fortune on them. Non-branded goods can be just as good and way cheaper. True friends like you for who you are and not for the logo you sport. So to all my fellow students here, no brands for us, only self-confidence. And to all the parents in the audience, you can thank me for saving all your money. No brands, only self-confidence. Thank you, and I hope you vote for me.
Great job, Akhil. His speech about how real self-worth comes from within, not from brands or logos, was truly eye-opening.
Tip number 3. Make sure your performance evokes emotions. That's a wonderful skill to develop. Now let's hear from Sriyana from class 8. She is going to recite a poem for us. Now let's listen to her introduction.
Hello and welcome to Ryan Family Day. I am Shrana Biswas from grade 8 and today I will be showcasing my oratory skills through poetry. My inspiration is none other than the Nightingale of India, Sarojini Naidu, who is an exceptional poetess. I would like to thank my parents and my teachers for guiding me throughout the journey. Thank you and do vote for me.
Fantastic introduction. She spoke clearly and confidently. Tip number 4. Remember to speak slowly so everyone can follow. Now let's enjoy Shreyana's poem. Your time starts now.
Being a teenager is like a crazy ride where you just hold on and laugh on the side. School is a maze you are trying to get through, but your mind's always thinking of something new. The alarm rings early, way too loud, but hitting snooze, yeah, that makes you proud. You get up late, run around like a flash, and dash out in a mad dash. At school, you're trying to stay awake, but the lessons, they are too hard to take. Thinking of memes and what to post today. Lunchtime comes, the food's a surprise. Is it even food? You can't decide. But you've got snacks, so you make an exchange. With your friends, it's like a lunch upgrade. Afternoons are all about fun or stress. Hanging with friends or avoiding the mess. And then there's that crush that's always on your mind. Trying to act cool, but failing all the time. Social media is a whole other game. Posting, liking, chasing the fame. Trying to look cool with every post. But mostly, just laughing at yourself the most. Homework, oh right, it's still hanging around like a shadow that just can't be unbound. But first, there's YouTube with cats to distract. And somehow, there's no time to react. Math is confusing. English is a bore. Science experiments all over the floor. History's dates are stuck in my head, but I'd rather be chilling or scrolling instead. Bedtime arrives and you're still wide awake, wondering how much more your brain can take. Teenage life's a circus, a never-ending show. But hey, at least it's never slow. ये है टीनेज की एक छोटी कहानी, थोड़ी ड्रामा, थोड़ी परेशानी. टीनेज का अब क्या हाल है? हर दिन एक नया सवाल है. So, here's to the teens living the dream, navigating life's unpredictable stream. It's awkward and messy, a comedy for sure. But hey, that's teenage life, wild, weird and pure.
Great job, Shreyana. Your poetry really brought out the ups and downs of being a teenager in a way that we can all relate to. Now let's hear from Sukda from class 9. She's going to sing for us. Let's listen to her introduction.
Welcome to Ryan Family Day. My name is Sukhada Thorat. I'm from class 9A. I'm going to showcase my singing skills today. I chose this song because it's all about celebrating happy and tough moments with our loved ones. It's a fun song that reminds us to smile and be happy every day. Thank you and don't forget to vote for me.
That was a fantastic introduction. She spoke clearly and confidently. Tip number 5. Remember, make eye contact with your audience to create a connection and show that you are speaking directly to them. Now let's enjoy Sukda singing. Your time starts now.
उठे सबके कदम देखो रम पम पम. उठे सबके कदम देखो रम पम पम. आज ऐसे गीत गाया करो, कभी खुशी कभी गम. ताररम पम पम. हंसो और हंसाया करो. उठे सबके कदम देखो रम पम पम. आज ऐसे गीत गाया करो, कभी खुशी कभी गम. ताररम पम पम. हंसो और हंसाया करो. खुशी कभी गम तारारम पम पम हंसो और हंसाया करो उठे सबके कदम देखो रम पम पम आज ऐसे गीत गाया करो कभी खुशी कभी गम तारारम पम पम हंसो और हंसाया करो रूप नया है रंग नया है जीने का तो जाने कहाँ ढंग गया है किसे है फिक्र किसे क्या पसंद प्यार के जहां में राज़मंद जब हम तुम बन गए हैं सनम भी धड़क मेरे घर आया करो कभी खुशी कभी गम तारारम पम पम हंसो और हंसाया करो उठे सबके कदम देखो रम पम पम आज ऐसे गीत गाया करो कभी खुशी कभी गम तारारम पम पम हंसो और हंसाया करो
Well done, Sukhda. Your performance of Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum Tararam Pam Pam was incredibly moving, and your voice truly brought out the song's emotions to life. Now, friends, let's watch our last act by Manyata from class 7, who will tell us a story. Let's hear her introduction.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Ryan Family Day. I am Manita Chatterjee of grade 7 and today I will be showcasing my public speaking skills through storytelling. The inspiration to my story are the animal activists who work for the homeless animals. I want to thank my parents and teachers who have helped me in writing this story. Thank you and please do vote for me.
Excellent introduction, Manyata. Tip number 6. Use an expressive voice to make your story engaging and exciting.
Now, let's listen to Manyata's story. Your time starts now.
Oreo, my furry buddy. In the hustling city of Mumbai, I lived with my mom and dad. At least that was the scene till December 2020. I was a single child and I loved being so. I didn't have to share my parents' love and attention with anyone. One crisp summer morning, my mother told me that we needed another center of attention, a dog. This was a shocker for me as I was going to have a four-legged sibling. Oh my God, this is shocking. My mom convinced me and my dad to go visit the local animal shelter. On reaching there, we were greeted by an array of wagging tails and hopeful eyes. But one particular puppy caught our attention. His name was Oreo, an Indian pariah with a nose for mischief and a heart filled with love. His endless energy won mom and dad's heart, but I could not quite connect with this little furry, especially when my mom said, "Manya, he is going to be a little brother from now on." What should I do now? That afternoon, Oreo came home with us and the transition from being a shelter dog to our family member began. Initially, Oreo had a few adjustment issues. He chewed up my favorite stuffed animal and he also chewed through dad's sneakers. He had a habit of jumping on the furniture. I also found my half-chewed earpods under his bed. He looked at me with utmost innocence. On complaining mom, she told animals take time to learn. Deep down somewhere, I wanted him to be gone. He was my toughest competition and I was definitely jealous. One afternoon, as I strived through the door, I looked at my mom sitting on the couch, her eyes all red and downcast. Then I noticed the absence of Oreo's cheerful barks. "Ma, where's Oreo?" I asked, unbothered. She told that Oreo is in the hospital. He is very sick. And my heart sank. "Why? What happened?" I asked, my voice trembling. She said that Oreo hadn't been feeling well and he needed emergency surgery. I felt a wave of guilt crash over me. Was this all because I was feeling selfish? That evening, we drove to the veterinary clinic together, waiting for a good news. The vet came out and said Oreo was stable and we can take him home the other day. Relief flooded through me, but it was tinged with a nagging guilt. As days passed, Oreo's place in my heart solidified. From being a scruffy shelter dog to my beloved Oreo. He's not just my little brother, but also my partner in crime. Being generous leads to stronger bonds and greater fulfillment. Thank you.
Great job, Manyata! Your story about how Oreo transformed from a mischievous newcomer to a cherished part of your family was truly heartwarming and inspiring. Now, let's talk about the event details. We'll be performing in a classroom setup like an auditorium.
Our parents will be our audience and they will vote for the winner.
Each show will have 10 performers and the winner will receive the Best Performer Award. The class with the most Best Performer awards will be honored as the most talented class at the school assembly. We hope these examples have inspired you. Now it's your turn to choose your performance. If you need help, ask your parents or teachers.
Good luck with your preparations. We can't wait to see your amazing talents.
See you at Ryan Family Day.